Hi, my name is Jeff Patterson, Regional Manager with Geneva Capital. First off, I want to start by saying we hope you and your families are doing well and staying safe in these challenging times, and want to let you know that we're open for business and here to support you just as we always have, and we look forward to hopefully seeing you guys again soon. This week, we're going to be discussing the benefits of utilizing a direct lender like Geneva Capital. First off, what is a direct lender? Simply put, a direct lender is a lender that lends directly to the end user. Geneva Capital is not a middleman or a broker, and there's a number of benefits associated with that. The first benefit is our in-house credit department. Because Geneva Capital's underwriting guidelines are developed specifically for the vendors we work with, the customers we lend to, and the equipment that we finance, we're able to offer more aggressive approvals and more flexible terms than traditional lenders might. Very simply put, we know your equipment, and we've developed our underwriting guidelines accordingly. Secondly, with our in-house credit department, Geneva Capital is able to offer credit decisions in as little as 30 minutes. Many traditional lenders and banks can take up to a few days, if not weeks, to get a credit decision. The next benefit is the fact that Geneva Capital is a specialized lender, not a general lessor. A general lessor will lend on many types of equipment, but only service a narrow customer base, those with impeccable credit and many years in business. Because of Geneva Capital's specialized approach, lending on the equipment that our vendors sell, we're able to service the entire spectrum of credit qualities, not just those customers with good credit, but those customers with challenged credit and little to no time in business. Well, that's all I have for you today. We appreciate your time, and we hope this has been helpful. And as always, if there's anything we can do to help, don't hesitate to call. Thanks.